How to create a Trust Wallet account, new update, step-by-step guide. Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Trust Wallet account step-by-step using the latest update. Trust Wallet is one of the most popular crypto wallets for securely storing and managing your cryptocurrencies. Let's get started. First, download the Trust Wallet app from the Google Play Store if you're using Android or the App Store if you're on an iPhone. Simply search for Trust Wallet and install the official app. Once installed, open the app and tap on Create a New Wallet. This will start the setup process. You'll see the terms and conditions. Read through them, check the box to accept, and tap Continue to proceed. This is the most important step. Trust Wallet will generate a 12-word secret recovery phrase. Write it down on paper and keep it safe. Never share it with anyone. If you lose this phrase, you won't be able to recover your wallet. Now, confirm your recovery phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. This step ensures that you've backed up your phrase correctly. Once done, tap Continue. Congratulations! Your Trust Wallet account is now set up. To enhance security, go to Settings and enable additional security features like a PIN code or Face ID to protect your wallet. That's it. You've successfully created your Trust Wallet account using the latest update. Now you can send, receive, and store cryptocurrencies securely. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to your channel name for more crypto-related guides. Thanks for watching.